Billionaire Elon Musk sells 4 Bel Air mansion for a combined $62 million and moves into tiny prefab house. True to his word, Elon Musk is well on his way to owning no house. The tech billionaire ended 2020 on a selling spree, unloading 4 homes, 3 of them tucked into a Bel Air cul-de-sac, for a combined $62 million. Musk's home-selling saga started in May, when the Tesla and SpaceX CEO tweeted that he planned to sell almost all physical possessions, including his handful of LA homes. The longtime California resident doubled down in December, moving to Texas and criticizing California on his way out. He took the task on himself a few weeks later, listing a total of 7 properties scattered across the state for a combined $137 million. The homes popped up on Zillow as for sale by owner. He sold the first in June for $29 million and the second in October for $7 million. The latest 4 all closed between December 21 and 22, with the largest trading hands for $29.72 million, about $5.5 million more than Musk paid for it in 2016. The modern mansion was built a year earlier and sits on 1.5 acres with 6 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms in 9,309 square feet. Out back, decks and patios surround a swimming pool perched at the edge of the hillside property. Across the street, the second cul-de-sac home sold for $6.77 million, or roughly $375,000 more than Musk paid in 2019. Built in the 1960s, the colonial-style home features a whitewashed exterior offset by shutters and opens to a 2-story floor plan with 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms in 3,943 square feet. Rounding out the cul-de-sac sales is a 1960s single-story home that he sold for $4.43 million. The smallest of the bunch, it has 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms in 2,963 square feet. Musk bought the home for $4.3 million in 2015. Beneath the other 3 on a separate street, the 4th home spans 7,000 square feet with 6 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms and a swimming pool out back. Musk sold it for about $21 million after paying $20 million in 2015. Musk, 49, is one of the world's richest people, with Forbes estimating his net worth at $184 billion. Elon Musk is the world's 3rd richest man, has started to live in a $50,000 box home at Starbase in Texas. A few days back, Musk had written a tweet in which he informed his followers about selling his last remaining house. Musk wrote, "My primary home is literally a $50K house in Boca Chica Starbase that I rent from SpaceX. It's kinda awesome though." He also wrote, "Sold my houses, except for one in Bay Area that's rented out for events, decided to sell my last remaining house. Just needs to go to a large family who will live there. It's a special place," Musk said. He also said that his current focus is on creating sustainable energy for Earth and protecting the future of consciousness by making life multiplanetary with SpaceX. Last year, the 49-year-old first announced plans to sell his homes and most of his possessions as a way to blunt criticism of his wealth and alleged tax evasion. Musk has started to live in a $50,000 rented prefab home in Boca Chica, Texas, where SpaceX produces its starships. The foldable property is made by a company called Boxable, and the mini house is its casita model. The news portal added that the house where Musk is staying at present is about 400 square feet. It added it is a prefabricated housing unit with just 31 square meters of floor space called a Boxable Casita, a foldable, prefabricated home designed for speedy installation and optimal affordability. Musk is not the only billionaire to live frugally. Surprisingly frugal millionaires and billionaires, from businessmen like Warren Buffett, Mark Zuckerberg and Richard Branson and many more. The people who live here are mostly retired and come to spend their time. SpaceX has been offering to buy all the houses. Some residents have taken the money, while others have refused and have complained by bullying by SpaceX to try and get them to sell. SpaceX gave a Friday deadline for 2 Boca Chica Village homeowners to sell their homes or Elon Musk's launch provider would pursue alternate approaches to get them to vacate the settlement near the company's South Texas spaceport. The residents said they were adamant about not accepting the offers. Most residents of the small village have already sold out to SpaceX. The residents who remain say the offers would not allow them to purchase similar homes close to the shoreline. That process would involve condemning the properties. The homeowners would be compensated. However, the amount would likely be less than what SpaceX has offered. The company has said their offers to Boca Chica residents have been 3 times the appraised values of the homes, which would be about $150,000. Homeowners say they are getting zero support from local officials, who are more concerned with the jobs and economic impacts of SpaceX's operations than their rights as homeowners.